Welcome to this video on how to log in and set up IPTV SmartErs Pro in 2025. First, download the IPTV SmartErs Pro app from your device's App Store or website and install it. Open the app, and you'll be prompted to accept the terms of use. Click Agree to proceed. On the login screen, you'll see three options: load your playlist via file, URL, login with Extreme Codes API, or login with a user account. Choose the method provided by your IPTV service provider, typically Extreme Codes API, and enter the required details like username, password, and server URL. Double-check your credentials and click Add User or Login. Once logged in, the app will synchronize your playlist, including channels, movies, and TV series. Navigate through the categories to access live TV, VOD, or your EPG electronic program guide. Customize your experience by exploring the Settings menu, where you can adjust playback options, parental controls, and themes. And that's it. You're all set to enjoy IPTV SmartErs Pro.